Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 widgets for this device. Alrighty, so first of all you want to find the vacant spot on any of your home screens. Tap and hold at the vacant spot in order for this expanded menu to appear. Next, tap on the widgets icon over here and you'll be forwarded to the page with all the available widgets that you can currently add. And they are, as you can see, divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that we would highly recommend that you add is located at the Super Energy Component widget category. It contains a lot of useful widgets. And here, as you can see, they do provide you with 2 widgets for being able to change the screen refresh rate directly from the home screen. I'll go with this one, for example. I'll tap and hold at this widget and choose its localization. I'll leave it right here, for example. And as you can see, by altering this toggle, you are able to change the screen refresh rate just like so. Simply tap at the value that you want to go with. Alrighty, moving on to the second widget we would highly recommend that you get is you can also generally check out this really cool category. So if you're a hard gamer, I guess this Super Energy Component category of widgets contains a lot of useful things that you might want to check out. But the second widget we would highly recommend that you add is it's more like the utility widget, which is the weather one. Here we have 2 designs to choose from. I'll go with the smaller, the more compact design and place it right here. And as you could guess, this widget will simply show you the current weather information at the place of your stay. I'll allow the weather app to have an access to my location in the background as well. As you can see, the weather app has the location access, so we can simply get back. And once we update the page, it will start showing the actual weather at the place of my stay, just like so. Alrighty, so moving on to the third widget. Let me open up the widget menu. So in here, you want to go for the shortcut category of widgets, which is not technically a widget, but since it is located right here, we can really say that those are not only shortcut but kind of widgets as well. In here, you have the one-tap cleaner, one-tap clean widget. I'll leave it right here, for example, and as you can see, it allows you to simply clean your storage, get rid of all the junk and unnecessary files you have in the internal memory of your phone by simply clicking on over here. As you can see, once the cleanup is completed, this little checkbox icon appears right here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.